Auntie age?
I'm 30.
Seriously? Congrats! You survived!
Oh my gosh. Mom, what's your age?
30, baby!
Baby, you're the full Pro Max version.
Age reveal!
31?
Only 31? Your premium edition, Auntie!
Oh my.
Age check.
35.
35? Return policy over.
How old?
30.
Oh man, battery level critical.
You're ridiculous.
How old are you?
Sweet 32.
Sweet? More like expired sugar!
Oh my.
What's your age?
I'm only 30.
Only? Girls, your warranty expired. Auntie, what's your age?
I'm 29.
Oh!
Low battery detected. Oh, you little rascal.
Tell me your age.